Hi, in front of me is OUKITEL WP20 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Sound. Now you need to scroll down again and click on Vibrate Vocals. Then apply the best option for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. Wherever you decided, when you're done, go back, scroll all the way down, and click on this switcher next to charging sounds and vibration to enable or disable this haptic option. You can also click on this switcher next to touch vibration to turn on or off haptic feedback for taps, keyboard, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!